channel. So I'm actually using my camcorder that I was given, when was I given? Oh, for my birthday last year. Finally using it because I can actually see myself with it. I don't know why I haven't used it before. But anyway, let's get straight to this video. So I actually asked my Instagram followers to choose what product I should use for my hair. But it happens to be a product that I already reviewed on this channel. All those products I already reviewed on this channel. So I decided I'll do something a little different for you guys and also do some content for them as well and just kind of switch it up. So today I'm actually going to be showing you guys some hair tools I use, some that I used in the past, and I'm going to try going back to using them again, and some are new. So the first thing I'm actually going to start with is, before I even pre-poo, is my scalp comb, which is this. So if you saw my Dollar Tree haul, I was using this scalp comb, and so yeah, I'm back at it. It really is helpful. My scalp feels really good. And I don't know if you guys can see, but this side of my scalp is really dirty. I had to put gel on it, but my hair is due time for a wash. To take out the flakes without using a comb as well. It's a scalp comb, so it comes in clutch because it actually gets deep into your scalp, and then you can just do it that way. So if anybody was ever asking me if you should purchase it, I think you should. I got it from Dollar Tree, so for $1, I think it's worth it. Yeah, so I think it was totally my fault for not putting up the poll earlier. I should have did it earlier this morning. Maybe I would have gotten more people. But actually, no, I did put it early this morning. What am I saying? I put this up like at 9 o'clock or so in the morning. Anyway, I digress. So pretty much so the two brands that I put for the wash day was Unicurl or Eating Body Works. I'll put a signed photo of my screenshot. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, I'll leave my Instagram as well. So pretty much Unicurl and Eating Body Works were 50-50. Somebody came and clicked on Eating Body Works, so I was going to choose Eating Body Works, and I went back and somebody clicked Unicurl again. So I just decided to just choose, make the choice because I need to wash my hair, and I already washed it. I was hoping to see if more people would change it, but being that I've already done a review on the Unicurl shampoo and conditioner, I don't want to redo a video that I've already done. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead with my Eating Body shampoo. Now, if you don't know the full story, this is not the original bottle of I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is not the original bottle of the Eating Body Works. If you didn't see my video, just a quick thing. If you're new to my channel, packages, when they were shipped to me, 2 of the products, I had to put them in other containers and I lost some product due to poor packaging. I didn't send it back, but I got my money back. So yeah, so that's what happened with that. So I have not used the shampoo before at all. This is what I had salvaged left over, so I'll be using that today. Oh my gosh, this towel's flying. So I'll be using that today. So, and the next hair tool that I use, I like to go in with a shampoo brush, which I've been using for a long time. This is what it looks like. Hope you guys can see that. And then it has the soft bristles, so I normally go in with that. That has become, like, hands down one of my favorite. Oh, I thought that was gonna fall. Parts of my washing routine. And if you don't know what this line is, this product is the coconut Shea shampoo from the Eating Body Works, because they do have a couple of lines, so I should mention that. I'm done with the shampoo. I, of course, shampoo my hair twice because I always do. And, sorry, this twist is bothering me, although I'm going to take it down. Alright. So, yeah. So, what do I feel about the shampoo? The Eden Body Works Coconut Shea Shampoo. I like it. It had a nice lather. But most importantly, I was checking for pretty much how it was going to work in terms of, is it going to make my hair feel stripped and dry, and it didn't, so that's a plus. But I felt like I was gonna like it if I liked the conditioner, but you can't always say that because sometimes you might like a shampoo, but you might not like a conditioner, or vice versa. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the Eden Body Works Natural Shea Mask Treatment. This is deep conditioner, and you're supposed to leave it basically for 15 minutes. I already have a review on this specific product, so I'm not going to really dwell too much on this product. I don't think my opinion changed. I have not used it since that first time, if I'm being honest, because like I've been saying before, I've been trying to just kind of go through older products and finish those up. I'm going to be introducing my next tool, which is my Tangle Teaser. I just started getting back to using it like my last wash day. I had stopped using it. I guess I just got so used to using my fingers to tangle that I didn't use it. But I'll be showing you guys that. There's so many other different brushes I know out there, but I just stick to my Tangle Teaser because honestly, like I said, because I'm a person who doesn't use tools as much, I don't feel like there's a need for me to go buy different ones. I know there's the Easy Detangler brush. There's so many different brushes, but I just stick to the one, my Tangle Teaser. So I just came on here to just say that this is pretty much the ending of the video. In terms of, I forgot to do my outro because I did do the styling part, but that's going to go towards Instagram because I already did a styling review on this product, and like I said before, and that the product that was chosen was the Unicurl actually. So I still need to review the Eden Body Works products, the styling products that is. So I'll definitely do that in my next video most likely. But Unicurl was chosen in terms of styling, and I already have a video on here on that, so I didn't want to pretty much do a repeat
of the same type of content, and the style that was chosen was twist outs. So if you haven't seen that video, I will definitely link it up in the card so you can check that specifically. But yeah, so thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the rest of this video. As I rake my hair through with this tangle teaser, I'm so used to using my fingers that this was like the most tedious, not tedious, but it felt tedious this time around. I don't know why. But anyway, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy the rest. Bye.